I hope you guys enjoy watching that short movie. So don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create something amazing like that one without paying for anything. It's free. Every process is free. So make sure you watch this video to the end because I'll be showing you step by step on how you can create exactly the kind of movie you watch right now without paying for anything. If that sounds so interesting to you, I want you to comment and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, let's go get started. To ChatGPT, I believe you already know what ChatGPT is. So, what we'll do first is to write our scene. Then we'll tell ChatGPT to write a moving scene for me. Write a war movie scene for me where soldiers are on war with enemies. So let's just click on generate. Let ChatGPT generate our scene for us, as you can see. Now ChatGPT has generated it for us. So as you guys can see, it's still generating it. Now ChatGPT has generated our scene for us. The next thing I will do is to copy this scene. Let me just click on copy. After copying it, I need to go to my notepad and go and paste it there. So this is my notepad. I'll click on plus here. Then I'll click on paste. So I need to edit some things. Let me just edit this. Let me delete this, edit. So I just want us to try this out for the first time. Then as you can see, this is our scene, emotional riding. So dogs. So as you can see, a cool wave across narrow. So you can read it through if you want to. So the next thing we are going to do is to head over to a website that will generate this for us as a movie scene. So we are coming to this website here. The name of this website is Whiskey. As you can see, this is the name. I will leave the link to this website in the description of this video or the comment section of this video. Now, when you come to this website, you click on Enter Tools and click on Enter Tools. It's going to open like this. This website, you can use it to generate your image. You can edit your image and it look good. I'll also work on that video on how you can use it to generate videos, image and edit your image. Now we click on this arrow here. Now when you click on this arrow here, it's going to be like this. Sorry, my phone, I put my phone on desktop mode so that you guys will understand what is happening. Now, as you can see, this first one is this object, this subject here. That is where you edit your image. Now, the second one is for the scene. As you can see, scene here, we click on add. So you can decide to start generating or you can decide to add your own photos. But for the sake of this video, I'll use my own image. Then you click on add here. So let me upload one of my image. I'll be using this image. Then I'll click on done. So it's going to analyze the image. It's going to analyze the image. As you can see, it's analyzing it. So it's analyzing the image. So now, as you can see, you have analyzed the image. So the next thing is to put our prompt here. So now I need to go and copy this what I just saved here. I'll copy it. Let me just copy it here. I'll copy it so that I will give it to him as a prompt. Let's see what is going to happen, what is going to generate for us. So let's go back to the website and I'll paste everything here. So let me click here and make sure this is on YouTube and this one is also locked and in best quality. Then I'll click on continue here. So as you guys can see, it's generating it for us right now. Let's see what is going to happen. Now, as you can see, these are what it generated for us. Now let's look at it. Now this is what it generated. So as you can see, that means this is me. Then I'll click on generate again. I want him to generate more like this. Now as you can see, I've generated more again. So you can decide to click on one and tell him to regenerate, and he will generate it again. So let's just, I can also decide not to use your image. For example, if I click on not to use my image right now like this, if I click on not to use my image, I'll just come to this prompt here like this, and I will delete all the prompt and I'll put war zone. Let's use war zone. I will click on generate. Let's see what it got for us. Maybe this will be so nice also. Now, as you can see what it generates for us without using our image. So let's just continue with this one. I'll click on generate again so that we have more scenes. Now, as you can see, you have generated the scene for us. Now, let's make this scene. When we tap on the scene like this, as you can see, you can decide to change some things here. If you want it to generate another one, you can just edit it here and it will generate it for us. So I want us to animate this. I think there is a place you tap on it. Let's animate it. Now when you tap on it, as you can see, it says animate. Then you click on it. When you click on it, it's going to tell you to put a prompt. As you can see, the prompt. So what I want us to do right now is, let's go to charge the notepad. The prompt will save. As you can see, the prompt will save. Now let's copy this first one here. Let's copy it to this place. Then we copy. Then we want to use this prompt. Let's put the prompt here. Sorry. Let's put the prompt here. Now after putting the prompt, we click on continue. Let's see what is going to generate for us. Now as you can see, it's generating it. It's generating it already. So let's wait for it to generate. Let's wait for it to complete generating. So while we are waiting, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I want you to support me by hitting the subscribe button. When you subscribe to this YouTube channel, it will make me so happy, so that I will be creating more videos for you like this. And don't forget to also comment in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to like this video or share this video. So thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing my videos, and also commenting on my videos. Now let's wait. We just have some minutes to wait. Let me pause it so that when it completes, we continue. So let's wait for it. Now it has finished. Now let's click on it and see. Now as you can see, now when you click on it, as you can see, it's playing already. Let me zoom it down. As you can see, it's playing already. Now let's just click on download. We'll download it. Let's tap on download. As you can see, we'll download this one. Then let's click this prompt here. This prompt you are seeing, I've clicked the prompt. Let me play it again so that you guys can see. As you can see, it's playing already. As you can see, it's playing already. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go back. Now the second scene here, let's just wipe this away, then and use this second scene here. Let's use this second scene here. Let's copy it. Let's generate the scene. Generate the scene. We'll click on generate. Let's see what it got for us. Now, as you can see, this is different with what we have there, and we want our movies to look nice. So let's just animate this with the what we copy right now. Let's just do it like that so that our movie will match each other. Then we click on continue. So it's also generating it for us. Now, as you can see, almost generating it already. So let's just wait for it to complete. Now it has complete. Let's play it and see. As you can see, gunshot were coming. As you can see, gunshot. Now let's download it also. You download it. Then let's clean this. Let's clear this off. Now our next thing we'll do, let's go back again. Now you can do that to all the scene. I don't want this video to be so long. You can do that to all the scene. So you can do that. After you do it to all the scene, then the next thing is to generate our sound. We need the sound that will match this. We need sound that will match this off. So now the next thing I would want us to do is to go to ChatGPT again. Let's come back to ChatGPT. Then we tell ChatGPT to generate a. Now we say now generate the movie sound. Movie sound using the above scene. So now let's hit on continue. So as you can see, sound design script, as you can see. So as you can see, what it generated for us is still generating it. Still generating it. So as you guys can see, it's still generating it. Now we need to copy it. Then we'll go to our notepad again. So we'll mark this one, save it. Then the next thing, we're going to click on add and we'll paste it here. So after pasting it, the next thing I will do is to clean this down here. Clean it. Delete this. Come to the heading here. We also copy this. We delete it. Now, the next thing we'll do, we'll go to the website that will help us generate the sound. Now, the next thing we'll do is to go back to our website that will help us generate this sound. So let's go to this website. The website is called Sono, as you can see, Sono. So I want us to use Sono. Now, this Sono, we click on this music icon here. Then we go and copy this. You copy everything. You copy it. After copying it, we are coming back to the website. We paste it here. Then after pasting it, then our music type, let's go to ChatGPT, write 200 character music style of the above and let's click on it. Now we'll copy it. As you can see, they've given it to us. We'll put it here. Then we can just title this movie. Then we click on generate. Now let's give it some minutes. Now as you can see, it has started generating it for us. So it has started generating. We want the sound and the scene of the movie should match each other. That is why we are doing all this. Then let's play this and see. So it's playing right now. So we are going to save it. Now the next thing we'll do is to download the sound. So if you have been watching my videos, you see how I usually download sound from this website. Then the next thing you do, you click on this three icon here. Then you click on MP3 and you click on download anyhow, and it's going to be downloaded to your phone. And let's wait for it. As you can see, it's downloading. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go to CapCut. Now let's head down to CapCut. This is CapCut. This is my CapCut. Now we click on add new project. Now as you can see our scene here, this is the first one, this is the second one. So now as you can see, when we play it now, you see that there is no any sound. So now let's click on add audio. As you can see, music here. Then we click here, we click on device, we allowed it. So the music we just add. It was titled War. This is it. So let's add it. Now let's see how our scene is. As you guys can see. So you can do it, and for the other scenes from the website, you generate everything, you give it a script, just follow the method I just show you right now. And you can also come to CapCut here. When you see they add shooting guns, you can apply those guns, and it's going to be all right, and you are going to edit it the way you want on CapCut. So this is how you can create a movie scene for yourself for free using this website without paying for anything. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that you'll be getting latest updates like this one. See you on my next video.